In this video, we're going to be talking about 5 things you should know about a Taurus. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave and click the little bell, that way you never miss out. And today's video is all about Taurus, and especially 5 things that you should know about a Taurus. So Taurus people are very strong people, yet sensual people. So they have the best of both worlds. If your birthday falls around April 20th to May 20th, then you're a Taurus. Some of these traits may or may not resonate with you depending on your sun, moon, rising. So the number one thing that you should know about a Taurus is that it takes a lot to piss them off. But once they're mad, you don't want to get caught in their rage. They can usually see right through people and tell who's being genuine and who's being fake. They're very calm until they're provoked. Number 2, Taurus people love to question things. They will always ask why. Why is it this way? Why did you do it that way? Why did you make this decision over that one? They always want to dig deeper, and they don't want to just settle for what they're being told. They want to understand the deeper meaning of things. Number 3, Taurus people do not like being told what to do. This is a huge reason why they question things, and it's also a huge reason why they are perceived as being so stubborn. It's irritating and annoying to them when you keep telling them what to do. Number 4, because of their stubborn nature, Taurus people usually find it very hard to give up on something or someone. It's one of the reasons that Taurus people are so driven. Some may even find it hard to let go of something even negative just because they have a hard time of letting things go. And when a Taurus loves, they love strongly, they love with passion, and they love with everything they have. And they will love you no matter what. Number 5, Taurus people love to indulge their senses. You may find them drawn to food, massages, scent, candles, things that make their senses feel good. Taurus people usually like a lot of affection. Before we end the video, I do want to share with you guys a few crystals that are really beneficial for Taurus to have. These crystals can help the Taurus balance what needs to be balanced, bring out the abilities that needs to be brought out, and kind of balance out the abilities that need to calm down. So the first one is emerald. Emerald is a crystal of the heart chakra. It invites harmony and peace in all aspects of the Taurus life. And also the color green is very, very lucky for a Taurus. Another crystal that's really good for Taurus is Lapis Lazuli, and this is for the throat chakra. It helps a Taurus communicate whatever is on their mind, and it also strengthens their intuition. And the third stone that's really good for a Taurus to have is a black onyx. Taurus are very afraid to lose what they love. And what onyx does is it takes negative energies like fears, negative thoughts, negative behaviors, and it's believed to transmute it into positive behaviors, positive energy, positive thoughts. It helps to get rid of the fears that a Taurus might have. If you guys are interested, I did make a few Taurus bracelets. So this has the zodiac sign of the Taurus engraved in it, and also some of the crystals that are very beneficial for the Taurus. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below for my store. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I kind of want to do this every single month for every single sign. If you guys would like that, then leave me a comment down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.